So right now we're having the third Black Health Empowerment Alliance Gala, and this event is put on to highlight the importance of physician diversity and how that plays into the role of patients and how it impacts patient care.
Coming back now as adjunct faculty and being part of class of 2021 at Burrell, this is a full circle moment for me. I've always wanted to give back to this school. This school has given me so much. Apart from my education, it brought me closer to so many other colleagues that now I can call on and ask any questions that I might need in specialties that they've graduated in.
Tonight has specifically been about unity and diversity, reminding these students that their journeys and their differences actually create a community. These students are doing amazing things. They've come from all across America. And I think it's important to give back to them and give them that sort of positivity to realize that their journey tells a story, their story adds to the community, and that is what makes a robust experience to make them better doctors of the future.
The event is for students at Burrell to engage with physicians of color, to learn more about how their experience impacts their patients and how their minority status impacts their patients.